back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another part-time work-from-home job lead. I have been trying to mix it up and find a little something for everyone in the job leads that I share. So, of course, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. Even if I'm not always responding to those, I do always read those. YouTube sends them to me straight in an email, and so I keep that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. And I know multiple people have commented that they are looking for part-time positions, so I've been trying to mix it up. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the link is always in the YouTube description box below the video. But we have the company Accruent. They are hiring a part-time customer service representative. Now, this is remote within the United States. So they are looking for someone to be responsible for servicing their clients by answering incoming calls, creating and dispatching the facility service request. And depending upon the severity of the request, you may be responsible for following up to make sure that service request was actually completed. So this is like a facility service, like maybe an apartment complex or a nursing home or something like that. It is a customer service position, so you'll have to make sure you are answering the telephones in a timely manner. You'll communicate effectively in a positive manner. You'll process all work requests per account procedures. You'll check all critical and priority one requests prior to the end of your shift daily, and you'll perform outbound phone calls as well, doing callbacks on critical and priority 1 and 2 work requests to make sure that they got completed. Now, they don't require a college degree. Of course, it's always preferred, but only a high school diploma or GED is required. Somebody who can effectively write and communicate in English, someone who can type at least 45 words per minute. You have to know how to use a computer and have a basic understanding of Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, all the things. You have to be able to enter data in the system and view the same for allotted work hours. So you need to really be a multitasker and be able to work effectively in a team environment. Now, this is a part-time position, but unfortunately, they do not state the hours that you will be working. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but pay for this position is, of course, dependent on location and experience, but it's anywhere from $15.96 an hour all the way up to $29.62 an hour. And I always stress, make sure you negotiate your salary. There is always a little bit of wiggle room when they give you an offer. That is at least my experience as a hiring manager working with our HR people from the place that I work. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Sharing is always caring, so if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.